Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Clawdbot with Hetzner VPS. First, create a Hetzner Cloud VPS. It is recommended to use Ubuntu 22.04. After creating the VPS, copy the server IP address. Then open a terminal on your computer and connect to your VPS using SSH. Type SSH space root at your server IP address and press enter. Next, update your VPS. In a terminal, type apt space update space and space ampersand space apt space upgrade space -y. Then press enter. This will update all packages to the latest version. Now install the necessary dependencies. Type apt space install space git space y and press enter. Then type curl space dash space fssl space http://dev.nodesource.com/setup_its.x space pipe space bash and press enter. After that, type apt space install space -y space node.js and press enter to install node.js. After dependencies are installed, clone the Clawdbot repository. Type git space clone space http://github.com/username/clawdbot.git and press enter. Then navigate into the clone folder by typing cd space Clawdbot and pressing enter. Next, install node.js packages by typing npm space install space nano-env and pressing enter. After that, configure your bot, open the environment file, and add your bot_token, database_URL, and port. Make sure to save the changes. Now start the bot, type node space index-gs and press enter. To keep the bot running continuously, install PM2 globally by typing npm space install space -g space PM2 and press enter. Then type PM2 space start space index.gs space --name space Clawdbot and press enter. Finally, type PM2 space save space PM2 space startup and press enter to ensure the bot starts automatically after a reboot. Your Clawdbot is now running 24/7 on your Hetzner VPS and is ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.